If I am too zoomed in, let me know. Okay, because I did zoom in. If it's good, let me know in the chat, please. It's good? Okay. It's good. Okay. Ready? So I put it between my legs with the rag, and I don't know, like it still was not, it's tight in there. So I added the purple one, the lavender. Oh my god, it looks red. It looks so pretty. If anybody wants to send for another soap, they are $5. I have another pink one and it's $5. I have a white one and it's $5. I have a blue one and it's $5. Is everyone in here pregnant? That's crazy. If everyone in here is pregnant. Not you. Matt, you're pregnant? Yes. Can somebody pin Matt? Girl, yes. Sammy is gonna announce her pregnancy soon. There you go, Matt. Matt is having twins, by the way. Oh, hold on, that's purple. Purple. Check. I'll check right now. If you don't follow me right now. Thank you for your daily heart me, Matt. Follow me right now. Yeah. It's my last one. If anybody wants to grab it, it's Roma and it's the last one. Oh yeah, I do have Foca. No, Foca is 5. But I'm okay with adding whatever you guys want to add. Okay, let's do some Pinky officially retired. That's blue. Okay, who cares? At this point, it's gonna turn blue, chat. I'm sorry. I mean, it's gonna turn purple. So, I know. I forgot it was blue. Now let's add the rest of this. I know this is special for like actually cutting like things like the bags and everything. And when I say that I'm in love with my scissors, I am in love. They are amazing. They work so good. Don't you flip? Okay. I don't have a boy. I have 3 girls. I'm happy, but I wish I had a boy. I do wish I had a boy. When I got pregnant, I did tie my tubes. But if once I'm ready to have another one, I can just do like a reverse or like IVF or whatever it is that they do to have more. I can go back, but once I'm ready, when I'm ready, I'll know that I'm ready. When I'm ready, I'm ready. But you know what? My girls, they make me happy. I'm very happy with my daughters. Girls take more yeah, that's what I'm like. I feel like I'm 50 years old. I don't know. I'm only 30 and I'm fucking struggling over here. I'm taking all kinds of vitamins.